Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Botra Febriana Nurba. I come from Team 6. Today we are going to discussion about concurrency. What is concurrency? Concurrency is a condition where a lot of process run at the same time. The concurrent who interacted have some problem and must be solved. And then concurrency is all about how we make structure and how that works. To make solve a problems, concurrency is activity is about location processing time. Second is use same resource. Number three is communication between the process and synchronization lot of process. There's four kind basics of concurrency, but before we going into our material discussion, I want to tell you about basic how we know about what is application, what is process. Okay, now we're going into a little demonstration what is process and what is application. We are now all of in here is application and computer knows too. But if we click it, this is not application again. This is just a process who must execute it and run by computer. How we know that? We can see in activity monitor. We can see that application that we clicked before will appear in this application monitor. Will be read as a process. Now we can see this is Safari. That's a difference between application and process. Okay, now we're going into our material discussion again. After we heard about basic concept, what is application and what is process, now we're going into our material discussion about the basic concepts of concurrency. Okay, there's four basic concepts of concurrency. The number one is responsibility. Number two is queue. Number three is multitasking. And number four is working simultaneously use. What is responsibility? Some program needs the same resource from our computer. Just like many people need machine at the same time. In the second is queue. Many programs run together must be served one by one, like a consumer in the grocery and waiting for to pay or process. Okay, number three is multitasking. And what is multitasking? Some program can work at the same time with different division. And the last one is working simultaneously. And what is working simultaneously? Well, the program is used at a long time, but in the same time. It's like bartender and make cocktail at the same time. What is basic concepts? I know you will feel confused on what is a responsibility, queue, multitasking, and working simultaneously. And I will demonstrate one by one what is responsibility, queue, multitasking, and working simultaneously. Straight about responsibility, and second one is queue, and number three is multitasking, and number four is working simultaneously one by one. Okay, responsibility. The system need to provides the same resource for application to running. Okay, we can click how many application in here. First one is Safari, the second one is message, and third one is mail. This Google. And the second one and the last one is a calendar. we delegate a process. We can see in the activity monitor. We can see we are running messages, and then we are running Safari. In here we can see, and then we're running a calendar. The system is provides his resource to running and executing a programs. That's why we call the responsibility. Okay, the next one is queue. You can see if I click some application like a Safari, messages, and calendar, a system will serve with algorithm first in, first out. Okay, the easiest way to understand, if we click it, it will appear and running the first, and we click message, the second, and we click a calendar, the third. Okay, that's why we called a queue. Okay, multitasking. The computer recognition right now help with the multitasking. What is multitasking? Multitasking is the ability for computer to running a lot of process at the same time. We can see we have a lot of process in here. We have a Zoom process, and then we have a message process, and then we have we can add in here App Store. The computer right now, computer design right now is helped by a multitasking. The ability to run one more application at the same time. That's why we call multitasking. And the last one, working simultaneously. Okay, all system in here is working, and no one can crash because all of here will serve, but we need to waiting time for serving by a computer. Okay, that's little explanation and little demonstration. Now we're going into our material discussion again. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Habib Nasrullah from Informatica Technique. I'm here to presentation about concurrency technical in the operation system 6 group. Okay, this material is concurrency technical in operation system have 4 types. This is thread, multiprocessing, schedule, and synchronization. Next. Threads. In the realm of concurrency, a thread is the smallest unit of execution within a program, enabling parallelism and multitasking. Thread exists within a process and share its resource, such a memory space, but have their own execution context, including register and program counter. Next. The operation of a thread involved the concurrent execution of text. Each thread runs a specific part of the program independently, allowing for parallel processing and improved performance. Communication between threads is facilitated through shared memory, enabling them to exchange data. However, to prevent conflict and maintain order, synchronization mechanisms like lock or smartphone are employed. Next. Essentially, thread work collaboration to exercise its high concurrence the workload among them. This approach enhance the responsiveness and efficiency of a program, particularly in scenarios where multiple tasks need to be performed simultaneously.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Effendi Fifria. I will explain about multiprocessing. What multiprocessing is? multiprocessing. Multiprocessing, a technique that allows an operating system to run multiple process or threads simultaneously using two or more processor or cores in a computer system. This technique aims to improve the performance, efficiency, and reliability of the operating system. Types of multiprocessing include asymmetric multiprocessing, symmetric multiprocessing, non-uniform memory access. What is asymmetric multiprocessing? Asymmetric multiprocessing is when we click on Microsoft Word, the master processor will divide the program info specific processing commands, then give these commands to the slave process, each of which carries out a different process. Scheduling in concurrence is the process of organizing or planning the execution sequence of programs, process, or threads that run simultaneously in a computer system. Scheduling in concurrence aims to improve the performance, efficiency, and currents of a computer system, as well as to meet deadlines, priorities, or other needs of programs, process, or threads.
Now I will demonstrate how multiprocessing works. Can you imagine Safari is a process and there are many processes in Safari? This Safari on Instagram, Ctrl T, Twitter, Ctrl T, YouTube. This is a process within the process. Sekian. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dimas Maulana. I'm from Informatic Engineering. Next, I will explain the problem and challenge. Next, concurrency problem are complexities that arise when two or more processes compare to access shared rescue simultaneously, involving various challenges and risks that can affect the stability, consistency, and efficiency of the system. I will explain 4 types of problem with concurrency. And first, deadlock. Deadlock when several processes wait for the each other to get the same rescue or combat attacks. And priority inversion, when a process has a low priority, it has an execution phase that is bypassed by a process with a higher priority. And next, starvation, when a process is executed most of the time, it does not give the authority to other process waiting to be executed. And next, race condition, when several processes need the same data and access or read the data simultaneously.
Okay, my name is Dimas Alfa Muhammad Zaki, and then I will present about concurrency implementation. Concurrency implementation. 1. Spotify Shuffle Play. Play multiple Spotify users listening to the same music simultaneously and at the same time without any queue waiting for each other. 2. Use of GitHub. On GitHub, each user can do collaborative work without waiting for one person to finish, but can collaborate by using the principle of concurrency, namely multitasking. 3. Operating system.
The operating system itself uses concurrency to manage resources such as CPU, memory, and other hardware. In process management, the scheduler in the operating system runs multiple processes simultaneously by dividing CPU time. Next, conclusion. Concurrency is a part of operating system technology on computers. The basic concepts and advantage of concurrent operating systems are very important. However, there are also challenges and strategies to be pursued in development. Some examples of concurrency implementation can be found in our daily life. This is the end of presentation that we have delivered, and more or less we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.